Beginner's Guide for Terrace Garden Part 2. Remove all the dead leaves. Basically these are matured old leaves, and you can remove it once it turns yellow. It is of no use for the plant. It just drains energy from the fresh leaves. So you can remove all the dead leaves from your plant and dead twigs from your plant. So that is number one. Second one is to make sure you water it in the morning or in the evening. So those two are the best times for your plants for your optimal growth. Third one is, while you're watering, make sure you don't water the way I have showing it to you right now. Don't put pressure in one end and water it. Make sure you water all the leaves so that whatever dust is there, it will be removed, and it increases the transpiration for the plants. And you can use a sprayer or you can use a hand hose for the spraying thing. So those are the three main things. So as a beginner, you have to take care while having a terrace garden at your place. And for more such content, follow Biotechmaali, and do not forget to share this video with your beginner friends for terrace garden. Thank you so much, guys.